Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I want to show you how to generate photos, videos, cartoons and more by AI like these photos. Okay, we can to generate photos, videos by AI or in artificial intelligence. So let's start how to do this. Open your favorite browser or on your mobile or on your computer and search for a best AI art generator like this. Press enter and now select the first link best AI art generator or django.com. Click on first link. We will see next page in a few seconds. So now this page loaded. Right click, click on the right side, sign up or login. And now select your account, continue by Facebook or by Google account. I want to sign in with Google. And now I want to select my Google account, select confirm. Login started. Okay, successfully this page loaded for me. Now select skip option and remove this pop-up page. And here at the left side we can to write our opinion or which we want to generate. Okay, just write here text and click on generate. You will get a photo. Like I want to generate a photo India team playing cricket. Okay, this will generate India cricket team picture for me now in a few seconds. Okay, I will see photo. Okay, this is working very good. Now I have two photo and just by one click I can to download this image to my device. Okay, so more we can to add photo, add your photo, and you will get more photos like your photo. Okay, and also here we can recommend text surprise me like cute baby panda eating bamboo and post. Okay, just click on generate and type a picture, video and everything you want to create or generate. Just right here and click on generate. You will get. Okay, this is very good picture, very excellent, and this is working fine. Like I want to write another prompt like Pathan girls watching wet football. Okay, press enter. We will see now what will generate for me. Okay, this is picture of Pathan girls watching football or others thing. Okay, and now I can to download this picture to my device and use everywhere. Okay friends, by this way you can to generate photos and videos by artificial intelligence, and also you can to upgrade this site, and after upgrading you can to prompt more time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more.